Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the HiPer series ratchets from Hazet. Let's start with unboxing the half-inch ratchet first. It comes with this nice box with plenty of information on it. The part number is 916HP. Hazet claimed that it can take load of 1000 Newton meter. I think it's not humanly possible to reach up to this torque, but Hazet is famous for their high quality products. The HiPer series is made in Germany, as most of the products are made in Germany. Let's open it up. Nothing fancy about packaging. The first impression is really good. It feels good in hand and it feels high quality. It's a beautiful ratchet. The workmanship seems really good. The part number and made in Germany is stamped unlike laser etching. I like this style since it will not fade away with the time. Although there are some marks of handling, but I like the matte finish on the ratchet. The handle is composed of two component design, with blue color is a hard plastic and black color is a bit softer. Black rubberized plastic is not that much softer and it seems that dirt and grease can be easily removed. The construction really looks nice and solid. Anvil is secured with a retaining ring. There are no screws to hold the anvil. The length of the ratchet is 275 mm. The head width is 20 mm. The thin feels solid metal. I like how it is stamped on it. Moving mechanism is really smooth. The teeth count is 90, which is significant. Teeth are really smooth. Listen to that. Really impressive. Overall, it is a really good quality ratchet and it is half of the price of snap-on ratchet. The only thing I wish Hazet had a little longer ratchet option. They have a longer version but then it is 415 mm but nothing in between. One thing I noticed that it has little play when I push the anvil part from the back side. I don't know if it's normal. If some of you know, can comment below in the comment section. Let's try some socket on the ratchet. I'm using Swedish brand socket from Kamasa. Socket seems really has good fit with very little play. I'm very impressed with that little play and the feel is solid. Let's open up the 3/8 ratchet. The part number of this ratchet is 8816HP. The torque capacity is 400 Newton meter. It has 90 teeth and turning angle is 4 degree, similar to half-inch ratchet. It is a beautiful little ratchet too. Part number and made in Germany stamped on it. Feels good in the hand. Smooth detent action. Fine teeth, smooth mechanism. Let's try some socket on it. Socket fit also solid on it, with very little play. I would say I like this ratchet also, but again it would be nice to have longer version of this ratchet. In fact, would be great if they come up with a long and flex head version of it. The length of this ratchet is around 200 mm. It is small and would be handy in tight areas. Let's tear down the ratchet and see what's inside it. The anvil is secured with retaining ring. I have to be careful, I don't want to break the retaining ring. I bought this ratchet from my own pocket. It's not a sponsor, which I wish it was. Let's take out the anvil. It is a solid metal. It is a single pawl design. Nothing special with the pawl. It's just a regular design. This spring contact the pawl from one side and the detent from the other side. It keeps the pressure on pawl from the detent. Let's remove the detent. Hope I don't mess up with the mechanism. Here we go, it's out. By feel, this detent seems made of solid metal. Let's have a look inside. What we got here. There is a ball bearing and a spring underneath. Okay guys, this is it with the review and tear down. I'm gonna put all the parts back in. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in another video. Salam.